see. My guys, you done had a good day though, right? You done had a good day today. You ready? All right. He said he ready, y'all. He ain't had no bad day. Well, I mean, this is first pass tonight, so hell, ain't no telling what they went through all night to bring this car. They probably been working on it all night, something crazy. Oh, y'all just trying. You with him, man?
We drove all the way here.
Oh, that's a street car? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah?
You see the power windows?
Oh, he got the power windows still. He ain't take that out? He ain't got no air no more, man.
Bet 100.
Oh, it still got the air, too?
Bet 100 got air.
God damn.
Radio, all that. Play some shit.
Damn, he got everything in here. It looked like they took shit out, but they really didn't. Damn. He got the roll cage, power mirror, power locks, everything. Power still working.
Power steering.
Damn. He got power steering still too? Damn, they left everything on it. It just looked like that, y'all.
It just looked like
It just looked like that. Yeah, it looked like it's on the next level, but they saying it really ain't. It just looked like that. Well, you can be fooled. It probably sleeping us, y'all. It look like Cletus car. This Cletus car, man.
No, that's a fixed roof coupe, son. That's a 99 model.
Oh, okay.
That's an AKA a 06, sir. It's a fixed roof coupe. Am I correct?
Yeah, let them know.
That's no sunroof, no target top,
Yeah,
no
that's
T-top.
Leroy.
It's a fixed roof coupe.
Fixed roof coupe. They got some nice wheels on it.
Basically a 06.
They say a C5 on the way about 3,100 pounds. Okay. I'm ready to see what it do. Oh yeah, man. I probably can get. Hey man, y'all be grudge racing, man.
Yeah.
Oh boy, he looking for a race like a mug. He been worrying me all night.
Oh, no, we just testing it today.
Okay.
Tesla.
Okay. Y'all ever race a Tesla? Oh, you ever race one of them?
Homeboy C5 already smoked the Tesla.
Oh yeah. So how you feel? You feel like that ain't nothing? Y'all can get one of them?
My homeboy has a C5.
Yeah.
LS1.
LS1.
With a little bit of spray.
Yeah.
Gap the P100D.
Is he here?
Damn, for real?
P100D too.
I promise you, I got a video right here.
Oh, he got the video.
I got
God,
on the street
damn.
too.
On the okay. See see at the track you get grip though.
They got a Tesla. They said
He from here? He from Dallas?
Yeah.
He be racing for the cash.
Nah,
Excuse me, I just heard this. He said he got a Tesla here right now that wants to try this one.
Nah, it can't beat that, bro. It got a roll cage, wing, parachute,
Pena.
pro charger, got that intake.
They want to try this one.
Nah,
He wants to try this one.
Tesla can't beat this.
I'll race the Tesla when I get my car out. How about that?
You gonna come up here?
Yeah, I got a
He
little
says
car.
he gets cane killer.
Okay.
Cane killer. That sounds like that. That's
What kind of car? What kind of car you'll be the Tesla with?
Dodge Charger.
You got a Charger? Okay.
the same shit.
That might be a Hellcat. Damn. Hey. Y'all gotta let him hit, bro. Y'all put a Hellcat, bro.
I mean, he can bring his car. He got a little Camaro too.
Oh, he got a Camaro? Oh, a ZL1? Ah, damn.
What's here right now? I've been racing.
Yeah, they ain't got nothing here.
Yeah, we just came with this one.
Oh, okay, he need to make a test pass. He trying to see what, make sure it hooked, and then after that he gonna come back and see if he can make a full pass, and then they'll look and see if they ready for you. If he make a full pass, I don't think you'll be able to fuck with him, man. He gotta look at that intake. He ain't even have enough room under the hood. He just said fuck it. Took it out the hood.
I think something like that. I don't know parts though. But I used to work with them.
Damn. Nah, they ain't scared of the Tesla. They just got to make a shake now. They just got the car here. Let them make a pass. Dang.
Yeah, bullies. I like that though.
Yeah, they cleaning the track or
same
something.
shit.
They
You know what I'm saying? Remember
Yeah,
last
they
week I told
cleaning the
y'all?
track.
I was actually just trying to go home.
What I said last week? He goes, you gonna want some next week? No. I told y'all last week, right? Matter of fact, I'm in a work.
Let's go find the green car.
Okay. There's a green car back there somewhere.
Bullies.
Man, we might have to go and get the back tire and hear from him. I might want me another taco in a minute, y'all.
Yeah, I called that lady. I called that lady today.
Yeah, what she was talking
They
about?
didn't even answer the phone.
Man, we're gonna have to just go back over
I'm gonna
there.
have to drive over there. I'm gonna call again tomorrow.
We just gonna
I
tell
gotta
them, man,
send
we
them-
just gonna pick it up, y'all. We bought a player for it. We just gonna watch it on the player we got, man. We appreciate your services.
I could have went about a camera already.
Yeah, we appreciate your services. I made that girl drip on the track. God damn. What he tell her? Oh, that's Team Thundercock. That's all you need. You got that old Thundercock goddamn. Make them drip on the track. Damn, she leaking coolant. Make a bitch leak coolant when I finish with her. Bitch leaking. Okay, there goes Simba, y'all. A bing-boo it, a bing-boo it, a bing-boo it, a bing-boo it. Nothing, just singing just singing along, Lion King.
Mighty jungle, the mighty jungle, the Lion King. I'm glad you know the song.
Yeah. Okay, tell me this. What made you think Simba then? You
My real name, and I play basketball.
Oh, for real? You were hooping? For real? What position you were playing?
Small forward.
Oh, you was a small forward? You had your layup game down? You still got in it? You still got it a little bit?
I play college ball.
Oh, for real?
Dude,
Oh, okay. She knows something, y'all. She was out there hooping.
you thought I was just a girly girl?
I thought you was a girly girl, man. I ain't
act
know.
like that.
Oh, okay. I ain't know. We all just looking from the outside in.
Yeah, I was all looking at some ass.
Yeah,
from the
they looked
outside
at
in.
everybody looked at little ass. Everybody looked there one time or two. They all looked. They
You
said,
ain't racing?
"I ain't not today. I'm coming back. When I get back, I'm gonna be faster. Both cars. When you, let me see. Monday, I'm supposed to go get everything situated. So Thursday, not this Thursday, but next Thursday, I ought to be ready.
So 2 weeks.
Nah, I think really one. I'm gonna try.
I bet see some.
Yeah, you gonna see. I might put you in it. Put you in the Caprice. Let you feel those supercharged. Cause you done felt Nitrous. You done felt Turbo. But you ain't felt Supercharger yet.
That's what I'm missing.
Yeah, you missing a Charger.
Babe, I got you.
I might put some juice on it.
All you got to do.
I'm gonna let you know. Yeah, yeah. I need to run them. I'm gonna be up there in that class. That's the goal. That's the goal. I'm gonna be in Trent class. I need to be able to beat them. But I'm gonna see what they do. You know, they told me I'll be able to beat them when I get it ready. But yeah, I don't know.